Hello children, Rija ma'am here. So as I told you in the last class that today we will do the exercises of the chapter alphabetical order. So open to page number 5. Exercises. Here you can see exercise A. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. And in exercise B you can see arrange the letters in each of these words in alphabetical order. So first we will do exercise B. Okay. Arrange the letters in each of these words in alphabetical order. There are 9 words. Number 1 is done for you. Drum, D-R-U-M. They have arranged the letters in the word drum according to the alphabetical order. So we will start with the word pencil. So in the word pencil there are 6 letters. How many letters are there in the word pencil? You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters are there. So, we will have to arrange these letters according to the alphabetical order. Okay. So, you start saying ABC. A, B, C. Here we will stop. Look carefully that in the word pencil, C is there. Okay, so C is the first letter according to the alphabetical order in the word pencil. So write down C. Write down the first letter C in the blank beside the word pencil. Write C. After that, D, E. So we will stop here. E letter is also there. So after C, put a comma and then write E. Okay. Then F, G, H, I. We will stop here. We are getting I. So write down I after E. Write down I after the letter E. Next. J, K, L. So we will stop here. We are getting the letter L. So write down the letter L after I. Then M, N. After L, L, M, N. So we are getting N. We are getting N. So write the letter N after the letter L. Then P is only left. So we will write P. So the arrangements will be C, E, I, L, N, P. Now the next word is basket. Here we will have to arrange the letters according to the alphabetical order. So which will be the first letter here? B-A-S-K-E-T. Which one will be the first letter according to the alphabetical order? It will be A. It will be A. After that, it will be B. It will be B. After that, it will be E. Then K. Then S. Then T. So far, we have done so many examples that how we can arrange the letters and the words according to the alphabetical order. So you will be able to do this, I think. Right? Now, let us do the fourth word. Y-E-A-R. It's a very easy one. So, you do it of your own. I am giving you some time. So the arrangement will be in the word year. It is the alphabetical arrangement will be A. The first letter will be A, then E, then R, then Y. Now the fifth word is rainbow. Rainbow. So in the word rainbow, 7 letters are there. 7 letters are there. So which one will be the first letter? It will be A. It will be A. After that, which letter will be there? B. After that, I. After that, N. Then O. Then R. Then W. Now, the next word, hospital. Hospital. The first letter will be A, then H, then I, then L, O, P, S, T. Okay. Rest of the 3 words, earth, jungle and banana, you will do of your own. You will arrange the letters according to the alphabetical order. And in the last of this video, I will tell you the answer. Okay, so you pause the video and do the same, earth, jungle and banana. Take out your rough copy and write down. Now we will come to exercise A. Okay, so you can see 6 columns are there. If you look carefully, you can see 6 columns and there are many words. So you will have to arrange them according to the alphabetical order. First, you will have to select few words. Here it is given that how you will have to select. First, you will have to select the words that are starting with C and you will have to arrange them according to the alphabetical order. Then you will have to select those words that are starting with G and you will have to arrange them according to the alphabetical order. Then you will have to select the words that are starting with H and arrange them according to the alphabetical order. Then you will have to select those words that are starting with L and you will have to arrange them according to the alphabetical order. Then you will have to arrange the words, you will have to select the words that are starting with M and arrange them according to the alphabetical order. And then you will have to select the words that are starting with P and you will have to arrange them according to the alphabetical order. Okay, so here I have done it for you. You will just arrange them according to the alphabetical order. So in the first column, you can see in the book that you will have to select the words that are starting with C. So here I have done it for you. The first word is child, then cabbage, cock, class, carrot. All these 5 words are given in this list of words. So what you have to do? You will have to arrange them according to the alphabetical order. So far we have done so many exercises and words. So you pause the video and do the alphabetical arrangement. Next in the list, it is G. So I have already selected the words that are starting with G, you will have to arrange them according to the alphabetical order. So pause the video and do the same. Next, it is the words that are starting with H. The words that are starting with H, you will have to arrange them according to the alphabetical order. Pause the video and do the same. Next, it is L. The words that are starting with L, you will have to arrange them according to the alphabetical order. Then comes the M. You will have to arrange these words that are starting with M according to the alphabetical order. Next is P. The words that are starting with P, here you can see the words. You will have to arrange them according to the alphabetical order. So pause the video and do all the alphabetical arrangements. Parents, please help your child. And in the last of this video, I will tell you the answer for exercise A and exercise B as well. So you arrange them and write in the column of C, G, H, L, M and P. So I think all of you have done the exercise A and B. So here is the answer. I have arranged them according to the alphabetical order. So you please look at these words and see. So if you have any query, any doubt, if you are unable to arrange according to the dictionary, please let me know. I will definitely discuss the same in the next class. So we have completed the chapter alphabetical order. So in the next class, if you don't have any doubts and query, if I don't get any comment regarding this, I will start with a new chapter. Till then, stay safe. Bye-bye.